In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a playlist on YouTube. It is great way to organize your favorite video or group your own content by topic. First of all, go to youtube.com, then click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Make sure you are signed in with right account, which account you want to create a playlist. Then click on YouTube Studio. Now at the top right corner, click on create, then click on new playlist. Give your playlist a name. Give a name of the playlist and add a description. Choose the privacy setting. Here is three different options. First one is public. If you select public, anyone can search and view your playlist. Then private. If you select private, only you can view this playlist. The last option is unlisted. If you share this playlist link with someone, only he can view this playlist. Select your privacy option according to your need. I will select public. Choose the default video orders according to your needs. I will select date published. To add video on your playlist, click on add video. Now select videos from your channel that you want to add in this playlist. Then click on done. Once all setting complete, click on create. Finally, playlist create done. To view this playlist, click on content. Then click on playlist. Here is the playlist recently I am created. Now I will show you how you can add this playlist on your YouTube channel home screen page. Scroll down little bit, click on customization. Now click on home tabs. Now click on add section. Select single playlist. Choose the playlist that you recently create. If you want to change the order, if you want to add this playlist at the top, just drag this at the top. Then click on publish. Now view your channel. Here as you see, the playlist successfully added in my YouTube channel homepage. Now to add more video on this playlist, click on the playlist, click on this plus icon. Now you can add video on this playlist. Just click on the video that you want to add, then click on add video. And that is how you can create a playlist and add the playlist on your YouTube channel home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.